Some poisons kill in seconds, others paralyze the body, while the victim remains completely aware. But nature has created something far stranger. Venoms that can turn blood into jelly, venoms that can stop the heart with a drop, and even venoms that scientists are studying as medicine, hidden in oceans, buried in forests, or disguised as something completely harmless. The disturbing truth? Some of the most unique venoms on Earth come from creatures people barely notice, and one of them might be the most dangerous venom ever discovered. Today, we explore nature's strangest toxins. Venom is one of nature's most powerful weapons. It evolved over millions of years for hunting, for defense, for survival. But not all venoms work the same way. Some attack the nervous system, others destroy blood cells, and some do something so unusual that scientists still struggle to understand them. One tiny marine creature can deliver venom more powerful than cyanide. Another animal carries toxins so complex that doctors are studying them to create new painkillers. And there is one creature whose venom doesn't just hurt, it can silently shut down the entire human body. But before we reach that one, let's begin with something that looks surprisingly harmless. Beneath tropical ocean waters lives a creature that barely moves. Slow, beautiful, almost decorative. It's called the cone snail. At first glance, it looks like nothing more than a pretty shell. But inside that shell is a microscopic harpoon weapon. When prey swims nearby, the snail fires. The harpoon injects venom faster than the human eye can follow. Fish freeze instantly. No struggle, no escape. Scientists call the venom conotoxin. And what makes it unique is its precision. Instead of attacking the whole body, each toxin targets specific nerve channels. It's like a biological sniper rifle. Even more surprising, some of these toxins are now being used to develop powerful medical painkillers. But not every venom is helpful. Some are far more terrifying. Imagine something no larger than a golf ball. Bright yellow skin, covered with glowing blue rings. Beautiful, almost hypnotic. But this tiny octopus carries one of the deadliest venoms on Earth, the blue-ringed octopus. Its toxin is called tetrodotoxin, the same poison found in pufferfish. A single bite contains enough toxin to kill more than 20 humans. What makes it terrifying is how quickly it works. First, the muscles stop responding, then breathing slows. Then the body becomes completely paralyzed, but the victim may still be fully conscious, trapped in a silent body, waiting. Yet strangely, this octopus isn't aggressive at all. It bites only when threatened, which raises a question. If something this deadly is so small, what happens when the venom comes from something much larger? Floating silently in tropical waters is a creature almost invisible, the box jellyfish. Its body looks delicate, almost fragile, but its tentacles hold thousands of microscopic weapons, each one called a nematocyst, tiny harpoons waiting to fire. When something touches the tentacle, thousands of these harpoons explode at once, injecting venom in milliseconds. The toxin attacks the heart, skin, and nervous system simultaneously. Scientists believe the venom evolved to instantly stop fast-moving fish. But when humans are stung, the pain is described as unbearable, and the venom can affect the heart in minutes. Despite this, researchers are now studying box jellyfish venom to develop new treatments for heart disease and pain relief. Nature's deadliest weapons sometimes hide unexpected possibilities. But the next venom on this list does something even stranger. It melts tissue. In quiet corners of houses and hidden spaces in forests lives a spider few people ever notice. The brown recluse. Small, shy, rarely seen. But its venom is unusual. Instead of attacking nerves, it targets cells themselves. The toxin breaks down cell membranes, slowly damaging tissue around the bite. This process is called necrotic venom. It's extremely rare in nature. But what fascinates scientists most is how the venom spreads through tissue. By studying this process, researchers hope to better understand cell destruction and healing. But not all venoms destroy. Some manipulate the body in ways that feel almost impossible, like the next creature, a reptile whose venom can thin blood like medicine. In the deserts of North America lives a slow-moving lizard, thick body, heavy tail, bright patterned skin, the Gila monster. Unlike snakes, this lizard doesn't inject venom with fangs. Instead, venom flows through grooved teeth. When it bites, it simply holds on, letting the venom enter slowly. But the real surprise is what the venom contains. A compound called exendin-4. Scientists discovered it can help regulate blood sugar levels. Today, a synthetic version of this compound is used in medications for type 2 diabetes, a deadly venom, helping save millions of lives. Nature often hides medicine in the most unexpected places. But the final venom on our list might be the strangest of them all. Because it doesn't come from a large animal, it comes from something almost microscopic. At first glance, it looks like a creature from a dream. A duck-like bill, beaver tail, otter feet, the platypus. But the males hide something few people know: sharp, venomous spurs on their hind legs. During the breeding season, they use these spurs to fight rivals. The venom doesn't usually kill humans, but the pain is legendary. Some victims describe it as the worst pain imaginable. Even powerful painkillers often don't work. Scientists are fascinated by this venom because it interacts with the nervous system in ways unlike most other toxins. Studying it may help researchers understand how pain signals travel through the body. Yet this strange animal proves something remarkable. Even the most unusual creatures on Earth can carry extraordinary biological secrets. Venom is not just poison, it is biological engineering. Each toxin is made of complex proteins, designed to target specific systems in the body: nerves, blood, muscles, cells. Over millions of years, evolution refined these toxins into incredibly precise chemical tools. That is why scientists study venom so carefully. Inside these deadly molecules could be the key to new medicines, pain treatments, heart drugs, diabetes therapy. Nature's toxins are also nature's laboratories. Venom is often feared, and for good reason. But it is also one of nature's most brilliant inventions: a weapon, a defense, and sometimes a cure. Hidden inside tiny fangs, microscopic harpoons, or the spur of an animal that looks almost imaginary, nature continues to remind us of something unsettling. The most beautiful creatures can hold the deadliest secrets. And somewhere in the wild right now, another venom may be waiting to be discovered.